2013 to 2019 Ford Flex. What's up, everybody? I got a Ford Flex. Mine's the SEL. I'm in here. My center console USB port, aux jack, little area is not working. I'm going to replace this part. It's right here. It's not too hard, actually. Actually, it's pretty easy. So this is kind of loose already. That was just loose when it came in. I don't know if it's like that, but I'm going to use two tools, a blue plastic interior tool and a very thin, small flathead. The first tool I'm going to use is the blue plastic interior tool. I'm going to use this to get the top panel off of here. Just get it in between right here. That'll pop off. It pops off pretty easy. I use the plastic tool so it doesn't scratch anything. And we'll just set this little panel aside. I know it seems kind of unnatural to do that, but this is the way to do it. Now there's tabs right here and right here. It doesn't matter which one you use, but you're going to take your tiny flathead and go into the tab and push it upwards, and then you could pull this whole thing up like this when you do that. Then it has two connectors, one right here and one right here. You could use your thumb to push down on the center thumb tab and pull the connector backwards to get it out. Don't pull on the wires because you'll break the wires. Just pull on the connector only. And you can also pull on the hub assembly to kind of get it off. Try not to drop it like I just did, but this one comes off. The black one with the connector inside of it's a little harder to get off. Anyways, here it is. Here's the part number right here. They actually sell these on Amazon. So I'm going to link one below. They have a few different choices, but this one that's 99 bucks has 7 5-star ratings, and it comes with a new face panel. So I'm going to recommend that one. I'll put a cheaper one in there too, but when it comes to this type of stuff, I would highly go with the ones that have good ratings. So I'm going to put this one in. The Ford OEM one wasn't available online. I couldn't find it even on a Ford website, but Amazon has it. The part number matches up, so I'm going to go with this one. So when you get your new one, we're just going to take it and we're going to plug in the connectors. Just get the connectors plugged in. They should kind of click in place. Now the black one has like a little silver connector within the connector, so you got to kind of take your time on that one. Make sure it's like lined up perfectly before you push it in, but it'll go in, and it can only go in one way, so just keep trying to line it up if you're having issues. And then this just pushes right back into the center console here, and boom, it snaps in place, and then we're just going to put the faceplate on. You could reuse your old faceplate, or if you want to put on your new one, you could put on your new one. But once you get this on, you should be good to go. I don't think any radio programming is needed. I think it should just be plug and play. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make, and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.